Hi babes! So today I'm going to be doing another hair tutorial on my baby, and we're going to be doing a bun today. Something really simple, super cute and classy, kind of make it a little classier. Well, today's my dad's birthday, so that's why I want to do more like a dressier, pretty cute hairdo. So let's just get started. Her hair is a little bit dry right now. She just got a shower, but her hair dries super quick, so I am going to wet her hair with just a regular water bottle. I want to get all that wet. And then what I'm also going to do is use my Suave Kids detangler. And this is so amazing, guys. I really like this product. And I think it was only like $2-3 at Target. And it smells so amazing. It smells like berries. Really good. And I'm going to go in and use my wet brush. And we're just going to start combing her hair. Okay, baby. So now what we're gonna do is just part out her bangs. And with you guys, if your baby doesn't have bangs, you could just kind of skip this step. But since my baby does, I always part out her bangs. I'm gonna wet right here too, again, just because her hair is dry, and I prefer doing her hair wet. That's just me. I love doing her hair wet. It's easier for me. I could manipulate where to go. Okay. So this side, I'm going to get the hairspray, and I'm going to spray this. Spray underneath, and I'm gonna do the same thing on this side. So I'm just parting out her bangs, making sure everything looks nice and even. And we're just gonna spray this. Make sure to shake this and then just spray. And we're gonna do right now just a regular, what I'm gonna do right now is a regular ponytail. And I'm just gonna use just a pink liga. And a smoothing brush, and we're just gonna, you can use a smoothing brush and then a rat comb to make sure everything's really nice. And I want to do a high bun, so I'm gonna make sure I have her hair high. So we're just going all around and doing this. And then I like to go in with the rat tail to make sure everything's nice and perfect again. At this time, I could also add more hairspray to it if I feel like it's not really hard or clean looking. So this is where I kind of want it, so I'm just going to go back, spray it, make sure everything's nice and smooth, nice and done. Okay, so this is just now, we're doing the ponytail part. And I like to do it pretty tight just so it can stay in place. So this is like the base for the bun. I'm just going to comb this out to make it a little more nicer looking. And then I'm kind of just making sure this is all where I want it. Just like my makeup videos, I always go back to what I did previously to always make sure everything's good. So now that we have that, we're gonna use this little bun, and you guys could get this at Sally's, or you can also get it, I think, at the 99-cent store. Okay, I got this at Sally's, and then the other one I have, I got it at the 99-cent store, if I'm correct. You could get these anywhere. And you're going to just kind of pull this through right here. And then I'm going to use this cute little silver bow scrunchie, and I got this at the 99-cent store too. And we're just going to, so what I'm going to do, turn on baby, turn on. Okay, turn your head. I'm just going to kind of separate, as you guys could see, I'm just going to separate the hair. Come on baby, turn on. Here. Yeah. Okay. So I'm just going to separate the hair nice and evenly around the bun. Baby, put your head down. Put your head down, baby. Baby, down. And we're just going to make sure that the bun is completely covered. And use a scrunchie, ponytail, whatever you guys have. And you could also make this into a braid, or you could do like kind of like a twisting, where you twist the hair together. So you could even do like what I did here, where I'm just twisting it, twisting it, twisting it, twisting it, twisting it, twisting it, and then you wrap it around. And just kind of mess with the scrunchie a little bit. Let's see, baby, turn on. Turn on, baby, turn your head. And that is it. That is our bun. And then you can kind of just set this right here in the middle. Make sure all those flyaways are away. Clean it up. Kind of just smooth it out. Make sure all the hair is wrapped around. And like I said, you guys do want some bobby pins just to kind of keep it together right here. And I'm going to show you guys up close how it looks. So hold on. Okay, so this is guys, so this is how the bun looks. This is from the side, and then this is the bun itself. I don't know if you guys can see how nice it looks. And then I put that little silver headband or scrunchie just to kind of go with her cheetah dress. I put this to go with the scrunchie. Baby, look at mommy. Baby, say hi. Say hi, guys. Say hi, babes. Stella, look at mommy. Look, Stella, wait, hold on. Baby, look at mommy. Look at mommy, say hi. Say hi. Babes. Do you like your hair? Yeah? So that's how it looks, guys. I just want to make it nicer. This is the hairdo. Hope you guys like it. It's really simple, really quick. And then like I said, for you guys to like want it more secure, just add some bobby pins. This is kind of good. I actually added on when I was off camera. I added another headband underneath here just to hold it a little tighter since I don't have headbands. But besides that, this is it. This is the hair. And it looks so nice. That's her. Alright, well, bye, babes. Hope you guys like this video. See you guys again. Bye.